The Lefant M320 Robot Vacuum combo is a highly efficient cleaning device, boasting an impressive 6,000 Pascal suction power that enables it to tackle all types of debris, including dust, pet hair, and crumbs on various surfaces such as hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. One of the standout features of this device is its upgraded obstacle avoidance technology that can accurately detect the distance of obstacles and prevent collision, making for a smarter and more intelligent cleaning experience. This 3-in-1 robot vacuum can sweep, vacuum, and mop your home simultaneously, offering an economical and environmentally friendly cleaning solution. Equipped with an ultrasonic carpet detection feature, the M320 Robot Vacuum automatically avoids carpeted areas when in mopping mode and enhances suction when in vacuuming mode, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. The large transparent dustbin and filtration system, complete with a HEPA filter, ensures that small particles are effectively trapped, improving indoor air quality and making the device beneficial for individuals with allergies. With a supersized 4,000 mAh battery, the robot vacuum can operate for up to 240 minutes, and when the power supply is low, it automatically navigates back to the charging station, ensuring a continuous and efficient cleaning process.